Boleh cuba bro. Kijing pentip nam ta ki kubor light kam hikai kabare jong ki LP Government School. Tekane kadai napo ka Mairang Subdivision of West Khasi Hill District. Tem ta kadai ka Eastern West Khasi Hill. The number of posts kibade po Mairang Subdivision kilong total vacancy baro agle arpsan. UR Southly Khasi Jantia Garu Arpo work order STSC kandai shipos. Take a last date nam takine can debit live with 3 August arjar apply. The application should reach to the office of the SD SEO Mairang on or before 31st August 2023 fulfilling all the basic criteria as specified above. Incomplete application will be summarily rejected. Then namar ba ki claim I form claim I take mod ba pyaban submit hi link ba ka standard form jasa submit ki documents ki baro select submit apo ka office jonga SDSEO Mairang hal ini syuaka live huitrik Agos arjar apply. But kabade kapus jong ka Clearyat Subdivision of East Jantia Hill District Meghalaya kan mau ba kini assistant teacher LP school ka total vacancy hapo Clearyat Subdivision kidon kumba south tali baro UR don new tali Khasi Jantia Angaro kaden live santali namta ki order STSC kadon R tali tenamta kaneru ka last date kandai live with 3 August arjar apply. Application should reach to the office of the STSEO Clearyat on or before 31st August 2023 fulfilling all the basic criteria as specified above. Te gitu ki bako apply kla tip hi ki qualification mag criteria te sa apply no koloi namta kine te tangine ki jumtip khule shubun.